Hello, so today we are going to see the problem reverse a linked list. This is a very important problem and can be done with three types, and we are currently focusing on recursive method. So first let's check what our node is. We have assigned a node, and in this we have data, that's the int value, and the next, that is the node star. So it contains the address of the next node. So now let's see what is our node. Our given example is 1 2 3 4. So I hope you can see that. Now our linked list is like 1 having address of 2. Node 1 is having 1 data 1 and address of 2. It points toward 2. We have 2 and address of 3. Now this last points towards null. So we know when to stop the linked list, when we find null. So to reverse the linked list, we can simply use recursion. Recursion has the simplest way. So first of all, we have to, by doing it by recursion, for doing anything by recursion, we have to follow three steps. First, base case. So while thinking of the base case, we can think that when the head is equal to null, and the head next is equal to null. Okay, and then we have to call the recursion. That's the easiest part. So we'll do for the first case, like we'll do for this, we'll do for the first node, and we'll expect that the recursion will find everything for this other nodes. So we'll call the recursion, and then we'll attach our first element, our data 1 at the end of the linked list. So let's see how it does. So while coding part, code, so it starts with the if, just a second, yeah, if head equal to null, and or head next equal to null. So in this we can say that it will return the head. Why would it return the head? Because null, because if its head, if the head is null, it will return null. It should return null, so it is returning null, because if there's nothing in the list, so the reverse of the list is nothing, no? And if there's only one element in the list, so it will return the one element, the first element. The reversal of that list is that list only. So after that we'll call recursion. So in this we'll call recursion. So I'll reverse linked list. I'll put the name of the function as reverse. So we'll call node star small output, which is equal to reverse head next. So we are expecting that the reverse linked list, that the recursion will give the answer for everything other than the first element. So we are expecting that the small head will contain 4 3 and 2. Get my point? So after this we have to attach one in the first node. We have to attach the first node. To attach the first node, now let's see what happens. We have to attach the first node after 2. Get my point? That we have to attach first node after 2. So we'll give the address, and 2 is what? 2 is next, of head, next of head. So we'll say head next is equals to head. Get my point? And now we'll have to say that head next points towards null, and this is our reverse linked list. I hope you get my point. Thank you.